Are you getting my good side? Trick question. I have two good sides. It's my front that's the problem.
Excuse me, you're standing in the way. Oh, in the way of what?
It's time!
Losses to the neck, but now I'm trophied up. I'm saying like bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type of shit I'm on, you wouldn't understand.
Looks like a cinnamon roll could kill you. Looks like they could kill you is a cinnamon roll. Looks like a cinnamon roll is a cinnamon roll. Looks like could kill you.
Yeah? Yeah?
You better not mess with my gang, or you'll be messing with Oopie Goopy, General Munchkin Man, Lil Jim Bob, and worst of all, Larry.
Tell them that it's in my jeans. Money, money, green, green, money's all I need. Money, money, green, green, money's all I need. Money.
Я прошу, останься до утра. I love you, Саша.
Я тебя так же.
Ты ведь хочешь?
Даже очень.
I love you, Саша.
Я тебя так же.
Ты ведь хочешь?
Даже очень.
I like the way you kiss me. I like the way you. I like the way you kiss me. I can tell you miss me. I can tell it this. I like the way you kiss me. I like the way you. I like the way you kiss me. I can tell you miss me. I can tell it this. I like the way you kiss me. I like the way you. I like the way you kiss me. I can tell you miss me. I can tell it this. I like the way you kiss me. I like the way you. I like the way you kiss me. I can tell you miss me. I can tell it this.
Red Bull gives you wings.
E o DJ Série Jazz.
I say disco, you say party. Disco, disco. Party, party. I say disco, you say party. Disco, disco. Party, party. Solo. Fantastic.
East is north and west is south. I feel like I would never get out. I'm trapped.
you out of sets on a truck. 1 to the kidney, 2 to the dome. That's left, right, left, right, left, right, go. Got a rollie for the brunch and a paddock for the show. That's left, right, left, right, left, right, go. Got a big new body and a whip it like a pro. That's left.
The dragon has 3 heads. One to be a murderer who will unleash death. One to be a monarch whose crown will weigh heavy. And one to be mad whose ideas will change history.
Everything you took from me.
Keep up, I'm too fast. Push my foot up on that pedal, then I'm gone. Keep up on my track, boy, I dust to keep my numbers going strong.
And max 228.
From the back and the front.
Hey baby, you see the flight? I'm so good in the night. That's when my wrist starts to blur. I know you got a boyfriend, but you're a whore.
Recognize you, but I'm not afraid of you. Not anymore.
Put your weight up on me, heavy love. Put your weight up on me, heavy love. Gotta get this right tonight, oh. Gonna get you closer. Take me down, a little bit harder now. Down to the dance floor, a little bit harder now. Love me like you mean it, a little bit harder. I'm too fast. Push my foot up on that pedal, then I'm gone. Keep up on
L-I-Licky-C-K-Licky-Y L-Licky-I-C-Licky-K-Y
with your father, won't you be a good sister? Everyone thinks that we're perfect.
So, what's your favorite hobby?
Stalking.
Oh, I like singing and dancing.
I know.
Die of it. That I promise. And I promise.
Cogito ergo sum. I think, therefore
I am. I am.
When I'm out of breath, she's my vitals. When I need to rest, she's my ride or die. When I'm out of faith, she's my idol. I just killed a man, she's my idol.
Please tell me the name of the dragon who chose you.
Ternanog. And Andarna Yoram.
Давай по новой.
Я знаю, ой, ты никогда не позвонишь. Но не сон и набирай.
Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it. Aw, dang it. I'm too fast, push my foot up on that pedal and I'm gone. Keep up on my track,
I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
He took the bomb from the bomb, he took the ram from the ram, ding dong.
And Max 228.
Just because you see a smile, don't think you know what's going on underneath. A smile is a valuable tool, my dear. It inspires your friends, keeps your enemies guessing, and ensures that no matter what comes your way, you're the one in control.
Ocean in the ocean. Is their hope broke? Lots of trouble. Lots of bubble.
And I say, hello, Satan. I believe it is time to go. Me
последний раз. Время пройдет, и ты забудешь все, что было с тобой у нас, с тобой у нас. Нет, я не жду тебя, но знай, что я любила последний раз, последний раз.
Who wrote the rule that said a thing with feathers absolutely has to fly? Why must they fly? Some creatures have two wings that flap, but you won't find them up there in the sky. Try, they're not up there in the sky. Gravity they don't defy, they'll never soar, won't even try. Have you heard? That's a flightless bird. With wings that flap, they've been supplied, but after that things went awry. Well, have you heard? That's a flightless bird. They're quite content, they're on the ground. To see them, don't look up, look down. Why am I always hit on by the boys I never like? I can always see them coming from the left or from the right. I don't wanna be a prince, I'm just trying to be polite, but it always seems to bite me in the. Ask me for my number, yeah, you put me on the spot. You think that we should hook up, but I think that we should not. You had me at hello, then you opened up your mouth, and that is when it started going south. Oh, get your hands off my hips, wanna punch you in the lips. Stop you staring at my face. Take a hit, no, you can't buy me a drink. Let me tell you what I think. I think you can use a lift. Take a hit, take a.
Wolverine, Deadpool, Wolverine, Deadpool. I'm gruff and rugged. You're old and slow. Deadpool's mid. Come at me, bro. I'm the hero. No, you're not. Yes, I. Shut up, mutton chops. People love me. Okay, boomer. 10 whole movies. I'm a loser. I can heal in record time. So can I, bud. Get in line. I have claws that can retract. Wow, you're like a kitty cat. Logan. So what? X-Men. Gone. Well, Green Lantern was a bomb. Hey, what? Be nice. You're the worst. Deadpool. Dead weight.
Oh, that hurts.
Fine then.
Go on.
You're the genius.
Wolverine has a micro penis.
Come on.
Am I wrong though?
You're a child.
My name comes first in the title. Red,
Yellow,
red,
yellow,
red,
yellow.
green.
You're so stupid.
Just like Wolverine.
Red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow.
Black.
Wrexham is trash.
Hey, you take that back.
Wolverine's better. There is no debate.
Can't we agree that we're both really great?
You mean it?
I mean it.
You mean it?
I do.
Deadpool.
Wolverine.
Just kidding. You.
Oh.